When you have an important document like a thesis, it can make sense to create a copy of your current document when you want to do a major change in your content, because then you can always come back to your old version in case you don't like the new one. But what if you have a new version and an old version of a document and you want to see the exact difference between them or maybe even merge them together? Then the Compare tool in the Microsoft Word program comes in handy. When we go to the Review tab, click on Compare and again on Compare, we can select two versions of a document. So I'm going to select the original document of one of our course challenges here. And then I also select an edited version of this document. When we now click on OK, Word will open a new window for us which contains the compared document. On the right side we can see the two versions of the document, and on the left side we can see the changes that are implemented in the newer document. As we learned it in the lesson before, we can now simply accept or reject the changes that are visible. We can also right-click on a change in the revision sidebar and accept or reject the changes here. And when we are done, we can simply save this document as a new version of our old ones. So now you know how to compare documents in Word. Go ahead and watch the other videos to learn more about reviewing a document.